Hi everyone, it's Kathy Crafty Chica, and I have a cool project to share with you today. I was sent the Laminator by Xyron. They are based here in Phoenix, Arizona, which I love because that's my hometown. They also sent me a bunch of different foil. Now, I have seen a lot of foil embossed art and crafts, and I love it, and I always thought it was really difficult to do. Come to find out, it's super easy. I took some of my illustrations from my iPad that I drew, and I have a home laser printer. So you want to use a laser printer. This will not work with inkjet. I practiced a little bit earlier, and you can see I have this little coffee mug here that I did with two different colors of the foil. What I have learned to get the brightest, boldest, shiniest look is to use some nice bold black design. Alrighty, turn your machine onto the star. Make sure the orange light is lit because that means it's warming up. So while it's warming up, go ahead, cut out your design, open your carrier sheet, place your design face up, and then choose the color of foil. I love me some purple, so I'm going to use this one. Place it shiny side up. Close the carrier sheet. Once that light turns green, we're good to go. Insert the carrier sheet into the laminator. And I don't know why I'm holding on to this. You don't have to. I'm just overly excited at this point. Let it feed all the way through. And once it cools down, go ahead and lift the carrier top sheet and peel off the foil. Oh my God, that looks so cool. All right. We know it works for small pieces. What about big ones? So I took some more of my designs and I printed them on my laser printer onto a sheet of printed cardstock that I cut to size. And make sure that none of the foil bleeds out over the carrier sheet. I use all these different colors. Again, overly excited. And I fed it all the way through. Turn off your machine when it's done going through, and then you're going to take it out of the carrier sheet, peel off all of the foil. Oh, perfect. And this is what I made with it. I used some as a face topper for one of my greeting cards. And these are some other little ones. This one I used all the scraps to give it kind of a rainbow effect. And these are just other little embellishments that I have saved up for when I go on my card making bender. I will be ready to go. And that's it. Super easy. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on the Laminator. I will have all the directions, the links in the description below. I hope you love this project. I hope you want to try this. If you do, let me know. Leave a comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let's all get crafty. Thanks, guys. Have a great and happy crafty day. Bye-bye.